Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find the name of a song or background music used in a YouTube Shorts video on your iPhone. Follow these steps. First, open YouTube and select the Shorts video you're interested in. Tap the Share button, then choose Copy Link. Minimize YouTube and open Safari, paste the copied link into the search bar and play the video for a few seconds. While the video plays, open the Shazam app. If you don't have Shazam installed, download it from the App Store and grant microphone access by going to the app's settings. I already have this app here. Tap the Shazam button while the video plays and the app will identify the song or background music. You'll see the song title and details displayed in the app. This method can help you identify music from any YouTube Shorts video quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.